Director Caso, can you please enlighten us what is the crime of qualified human trafficking?
Ma'am, I guess I am a non-lawyer myself, although I have a rudimentary understanding of trafficking in persons and what qualified trafficking in persons may entail. But then again, I guess the question is better addressed to the Department of Justice, who are represented here also, Madam Chair.
Can we hear from the Department of Justice, Mr. Chair? DOJ, can we be enlightened? What is the crime of qualified human trafficking?
For your last question, Congresswoman Luistro.
Wala pa ako sa kalahati.
Ms. Baterna is here.
Mr. Chair, do we have the DOJ here? How about the NBI? Do we have the National Bureau of Investigation here? Yusek Dulay, DOJ. Attorney Pagatpat, NBI.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, yung trafficking po, it may be considered qualified. Mr. Chair.
Let me remind Congresswoman Luistro that you have 30 seconds left.
Yes, Mr. Chair. We are asking the DOJ, Mr. Chair, to enlighten us on the crime of qualified human trafficking.
Mr. Chair, yung human trafficking po may be considered qualified if committed in large scale. That is, meron pong 3 or more victims. Also, kung meron pong minor victim, mako-consider din po siyang qualified human trafficking.
In other words, Mr. Chair, the resource speaker wished to manifest that the consent of the victim is not material when we speak about the crime of qualified human trafficking. I understand that Republic Act number 10364 is a special law. Mr. Chair, may I hear from the DOJ, does this make the law malum prohibitum as distinguished from malum inse?
Mr. Chair, considering po na special law siya, malum prohibitum po siya papasok.
In other words, Mr. Chair, the DOJ confirms that the crime of qualified human trafficking is a malum prohibitum, in which case malice or criminal intent need not be proved. On the assumption, Mr. Chair, that there are evidence establishing the connection of the concerned public officials to Lucky South 99 and evidence to establish knowledge on the commission of illegal activities. Question DOJ, are this enough to include them in the indictment for qualified human trafficking?
Mr. Chair, kung mapapasok po sila doon sa elements ng commission ng human trafficking, they may be considered as subjects po.